So always remember, guys, safety first. Make sure you're putting those masks on. You never know what you're going to breathe in when you're working with wood, and who knows what's on it, especially when you're working with random logs that you don't know anything about. So for this, I'm going to be using the Dremel 4000 with the flex shaft, as you can see. I've just got a cut saw flame burr attached at the moment, and I'm just going to do a few short passes underneath to get rid of some of the excess wood. Again, the cut saw burrs for me are some of the best. When you're looking at rapid removal, so if you haven't got any, make sure you get some. There we go, that should do it. An awful lot of sawdust. Again, I know I need to work on my dust extraction before I get any comments, because you make. But get the new Dremel bit out the packaging and put it on. My dust extraction system at the minute is a paintbrush. As you can see, it looks very much like the old sanding drums that has been coated in something hard. So hopefully these will last a bit longer than the old sanding drums. Right, let's make some sawdust. So far, they seem like a really good tool, actually. They're like the old sanding drums, which I actually liked, but they seem to be a little bit more sturdy and seem to be built to last. So I would recommend getting yourself one. This isn't a sponsored video, it's just my opinion. If you've liked the video, by all means, like and subscribe. There's going to be lots more content coming over the coming weeks for different projects. And apart from that, enjoy the rest of your day.